The currency market has almost ignored the report provided by the European Medicines Agency. The main conclusion of this report is that the advantages of the AstraZeneca vaccine significantly exceed its side effects. This means that the UK will not have to cover large losses of the pharmaceutical company. If the European Medicines Agency took another decision, countries which have already bought the vaccine could have returned it to the producer and demanded a full refund and a compensation for losses. Nevertheless, the results of the Commission were quite predictable. Moreover, they were published after the markets closed. This reflects the fact that the pound sterling highly depends on speculators' decisions, taken according to the situation. In other words, traders will hardly price in this information. However, data on the UK public sector net borrowing managed to revive the market. The indicator dropped by 19,200 million British pounds. In fact, this decline led to an insignificant rise in the pound sterling. The currency did not even leave the narrow channel. In general, the market is trading sideways amid the absence of important news. The current trading week is likely to close calmly. Thus, the pound-dollar pair is still hovering within the range of 1.39–1.40. The psychological level of 1.40 acts as resistance. The pair hit this level and then dropped. This occurred for the fifth time since the beginning of this month. The volume of long positions dropped, whereas the volume of short positions jumped. That's why the pair has all chances to resume gaining in value. The euro-dollar pair also bounced from the psychological level of 1.20 and returned to the support level of 1.19. Notably, the pair stopped dropping, reaching this support level on March 17. Analyzing the current trading chart, we can see that the price slowed down near the level of 1.19 and began hovering. If the pair fixes below 1.1880, it may resume its correctional movement from the peak of the trend towards 1.1835. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.